Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to pin app on the screen of your Samsung phone. App pinning lets you pin a particular application on the screen of your phone, so only that app can be used. It is very useful when you want to give your phone to someone. So you can pin a particular application. For instance, I want to give someone my phone to make use of Chrome browser. So I can pin this Chrome browser on the screen and the person will be able to leave this particular application, which is the Chrome browser. It is a very important security and privacy settings on Samsung phone. So let me show you how to fix it. Go to your Samsung phone setting, scroll down and select security and privacy. Under security and privacy, select more security settings. So here you will see immediately after secure folder, you see allow apps to be pinned. Tap on it and turn it on. So you can see here that app pinning lets you keep just one app on the screen until you unpin it. For example, you can pin a game app to let a friend play only that game. So the friend will be locked only to that particular application. Now let me show you how to pin app. So go to your recent app. The app has to be open. So let's say I want to pin this Chrome now. Tap on the Chrome logo there and you see this option, pin this app. So only that app will be pinned. Now app is pinned. To unpin this app, touch and hold the recent back button at the same time. So okay, so what you need to do is to touch and hold the recent and the back button at the same time. So that app will be unpinned. Okay, app unpinned. So with that, you've unpinned the app, so you can now navigate to other apps on the phone. So thank you guys for watching. If this video helped you, do well to support the video with a like, and also if you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so you get notified whenever I drop a new video.